Want to trade directly from TradingView using your own broker? Here's how to connect your broker to TradingView in just a few clicks. Let's get started. Step 1. First, head over to tradingview.com and select any product or chart. Then click on Super Charts. This will open up the full charting dashboard. Step 2. Now scroll down to the trading panel at the bottom of the screen. Click it to reveal a list of supported brokers. Step 3. From the list, choose your broker. TradingView supports platforms like Oanda, forex.com, interactive brokers, and more. Click on your broker and hit Connect. Step 4. A new window will pop up asking for your login credentials. Enter your username and password and authorize the connection. Step 5. Once connected, you'll be able to place real-time trades, manage your portfolio, and view your balance right inside TradingView. And that's how you connect your broker to TradingView. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick trading tutorials. Happy trading! See you next time!